Hello traders, this is Rich from tradesight. Here's a look at our market leading stocks for the coming session. Nasdaq patch is just a little bit better to buy here, maybe by just a smidge, just because we do have a couple of signals on the buy side, but not a lot of influence on the market here. Got some volume in Sina with an upside contra candle, a little volume in Baidu. We've got a upside RPS on Biogen, but we don't have that good volume that we need to see. So not a lot of influence here. You see there are a lot of volume deviations to the downside, actually. In the financial patch, very light volume again. A little bit better to buy here for sure, but they're mostly the contra candles where we are lower on the day but closing above the day's open, which isn't hard to do when the SPOOs are plus or minus 50 cents on the day. Moving on to the energy names, a little bit weak here. Got a couple of sell side indications. PBR's got a downside CPS. This one's really been crashed. This one's 6% below the day's open. Chevron and CHK also have downside indications for tomorrow. Moving on to generals, very, very light volume for the most part. I mean, a lot of these names are only trading 50% of what they typically trade. We are biased to the buy side here, but there's really nothing jumping out with a lot of volume that should immediately be in play tomorrow. So we're going to have to be patient tomorrow. Moving on to the housing names, Home Depot's got some good volume, but doesn't have the signal with it, unfortunately. And then you've got a smattering of signals here on the buy side in the transport. So they're definitely looking better to buy for tomorrow. We'll have to get some volume right now. We're very, very light on volume, but I'll be watching those tomorrow on the long side. Commodities, light on volume for the most part, but we are seeing some action in some of the metals names, silver, wheat, and SLWs, almost 3% above the day's open on some decent volume. So maybe we'll see a little better action there tomorrow with some of these, and see if we can get a breakout of some of these patterns that they've been trapped in. All right, folks. Very light volume. Going to have to let the opening range set up tomorrow unless we get some news and move things around and see what they give us. So, as always, thanks for listening. This has been Rich for tradesight.